I've arrived at Lake Julius. Canoe. It's over there, ready to go. Logs sticking out of the water. But fantastic looking scenery around the place. I can't wait to get further on. That's where I drove in from, over between those trees. Alright, I'll see you on the water. It's a pretty rough looking shoreline. Don't want to go there with this powerboat. We're on our way. Been going for 10-15 minutes now. And the hillsides are very steep on this side, on the eastern side of the lake, at this spot. But on the other side, it's nice and flat, easy to get onto the land if need be. All the trees are flowering, birds are singing, and I'm paddling. Anyway, did I say that I'm at Lake Julius, just north of Mount Isa? There's not very many people here. There's a good chance that I might see some thunderstorms tonight with the clouds up there. There's a bit of cattle. Yeah. Hope to get to that island somewhere at 7 kilometres ahead. It's a long way, I'm not sure I'll make it. Getting closer to my destination. I think it should be visible from around this bend. There's a pretty steep hill here. No camping spot right here, a bit steep and rocky. But though on the far bank there looks like there could be some. There's another one of those, a couple of those palm trees up ahead. I'll just glide over and have a look. Should be about there somewhere. Yeah, I think I have about another kilometre or so to get to the island where I'm aiming at. I'm not sure that I'll be able to camp at the island, but somewhere in that vicinity I'll look for a camping spot. I end up leaving earlier than I expected, so I started paddling about 10 to 2 and it's now 25 past 3. I haven't got out of the canoe since then. Had one motorboat, powerboat go past me. They slowed down while they went past, so the weight wouldn't tip me over, which was good. But this is a little bit wobbly, this canoe. That's the shoreline. And this particular spot, I'll show you my destination island. That's it over there, the little hill there. That's the island I'll be aiming at. I'm now back on the eastern side of the lake, but in the meantime I'll follow the shoreline. Nice and calm, not even windy. Something stinks over here. They said there's blue-green algae in the lake. I wonder if that's the one. That's what stinks. Oh, I think I just scraped a dead tree. It seems that I'm not going to be staying at this island. There's flying foxes by the millions by the looks of it. You can probably hear them all the way in the trees, roosting away, making a lot of noise. Smells too, yuck. I pulled up for a little bit of a rest. I'm on the way back from the Bat Island. I was thinking maybe I could camp here, but not that far from where the car is. I might actually go back. But anyway, this is a pretty green spot, except for big swamp there. And if we go all the way back around, over in that direction is the Bat Island, around the bend, around the corner there. And almost all the way along the lake, there's lots of dense trees on the shorelines, wherever it's not too steep. Oh, birds trying to get me. I think I've mentioned the bad smell early when I first started paddling. It smells like something's rotting. It's been all the way along. I think it's these, the paper bark flowers. It's a very strong, like a rotten smell. Weird. And the trees are just full of it. Very nice scenery. There's even a horse, a couple of horses on the far bank. Pelicans. Same goes for almost all the way along here. I think that's the bats from the Bat Island. And there's just thousands and thousands of them. And they all seem to be heading towards Mount Isa.